Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year, my people, my family, my friends. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. We go celebrate more, we go celebrate more, we go celebrate more. We go see many more years. Yeah, you know, despite the pandemic, we still they celebrate, You know, and I see people they celebrate a lot of things, a lot of good things. You know, people they get good news, people they get testimony. God they do many things. Even this inside this pandemic, people they born, many people they born, some they born one, some they born twins, some they born three. You know, some they get document for not for diaspora, some they know God they bless a lot of people, some they buy cars, some they build house. We thank God for that. At least may we still try for this festive period. May we put smile for person face. Now what make me want to do this video? You get one video where I see just 30 seconds video. I not just want post now because I want use that to still talk to us. You understand? Where this thing happen for Ghana, where cripple day center, probably in a beggar or something like that, where some group of boys, God will bless una. Some group of boys, you know, they surround and they dance. You know, they make this man. I want to just see a short video. Essential. Let me tell you. See, what did those people do? They let this guy know say, they let this person know say, see, there is a purpose of you living. They let this person know say, see, you have every cause to live. You have every cause to, to thank God because you see the important in this society. It's just like abroad now. Abroad, they value all those disabled people. Not only Nigeria, Africa, you say they don't value them, but thank God for those boys. Make them happy. Now, what I want to be say, I beg for this period, try and make people happy. Put smile in people's face. You understand? Happiness is one of the hidden treasure we have all within us. What you have to do, all you need to do is dig inside and bring it out. The only way to discover the limit of possibility is for you to go beyond them into impossible. It gets some people when their face, I don't like. See, I know they like to associate. No, their face alone. Once you see them, they'll just give you bad luck. At least put smile. Put smile. Try to smile. If you know say you not fit, at least just use money, spend money small. Go where they do artificial face. Just do artificial smile face. Put on. So that anybody that come across you, you put smile. You understand? You put smile. Try and make people happy. In this season, stop finding fault from people. Stop looking for, when you hate like me now, you don't say me now, some people don't say they don't like me. Now confirm, everybody can never like you. Some people don't say they don't like me. Some people don't say they don't like me. Once they see my video, even though say waiting I talk, it go even give them 1 billion tomorrow. See, they find it absolutely repugnant. You don't get it to one to please them. At least I beg. This one at Christmas. At least make person laugh, make person smile. Find a way to help someone. Helping someone not be only money. No. Find a way to see how you can put joy inside someone. Find a way. At least celebrate somebody. Try as much as possible to see how you can bless someone's life. Even one person feel blessed this year. Now something. I have done my part and I'm still doing. I still want to do more. I still want to do more. If I say I've done my part, nobody as I talk now. I don't see. Always talk. A person's character is revealed by what he or she does when no one is watching. I don't say me you can't say I don't make person. No. Make person laugh. It's only between you and God. and the person wey you help. Find a way to help someone, just to make sure Jesus Christ did not die in vain, like Odumeje used to call him Jesus Christ. You understand? So that we go know say he no die in vain. He died to make me happy, make you happy. He died to save me, save you. We have to appreciate that moment. We have to appreciate that benevolent act. You understand? By helping one another. I beg. Start from subscribing to my channel, Agbons TV. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on a Facebook page, Agbons TV. And God will bless you.